Perfect fit and does what I needed. We have a Franklin R850 hotspot that we use for our internet. Living out in a rural area, we don't have access to cable. Our hotspot works faster and with less interruption if we leave the battery in and plugged in. I do not recommend doing it this way, but it works for us. As a result, we do not get or expect long battery life. This battery always arrives on time as promised and it performs well under the circumstances. It lasts as long as I would expect it to under the harsh condition we put it through. This is about the 4th time we have reordered and will do so again when this one is done. Did exactly what it was designed to do. Works perfectly as a replacement for the original battery. Charges well no problem. Gets hot while on soft surfaces like bedding, but I usually have it on a cool, flat surface like my dresser. When this one dies I'll definitely buy another from this seller. Click link in description for more reviews.